is ERi-TV, dear viewers. Welcome to English News Broadcast with me, Bersabet Taghlem. Coming up are the major headlines for today. World Malaria Day observed in Zada Christian. Cultural and Sports Week for students in Hamel Malo subzone. North Korea conducts its first nuclear trigger stimulation drills. And Asia hit hardest by climate and weather disasters in 2023, according to the UN. On your domestic reports, World Malaria Day 2024 was observed at regional level in Zada Christian under the theme Let's Strengthen Our Efforts Against Malaria. At the event, reports were presented focusing on the efforts exerted to control the prevalence of the disease and the challenges encountered. Mr. Kibrab Tesfa Mikael, head of malaria control at the Ministry of Health branch in the Central Region, stated that due to sustainable environmental sanitation activities and the distribution of impregnated bed nets, the prevalence of malaria, which was 0.4% in 2018, has been reduced to 0.08% in 2024. Rather in 2023. He also noted that strong efforts are being exerted to completely eradicate the disease from the region. Mr. Tasfu Fissahatian, administrator of Berrikh subzone, commended the efforts by the Ministry of Health and stakeholders, noting that the prevalence of the disease in the subzone has significantly reduced. World Malaria Day is being observed for the 17th time at the international level and for the 6th time at the national level. Mr. Kidana Gabrai, head of Culture, Sports and Health at the Hamel Malo subzone, reported that a successful Cultural and Sports Week has been conducted. The event, which spanned from April 18 to April 21, saw the participation of 541 junior and high school students, including 215 female students, alongside their teachers. The diverse program included football, volleyball, athletics, drama, poems, songs, and general knowledge competitions. The organizers highlighted the event's vibrant spirit and competitive edge, praising the Education Office for its efforts in organizing such an engaging program. They emphasized the event's crucial role in fostering talent discovery among students and urged the continuation of this valuable initiative. The week culminated in an award ceremony where winners in various categories were honored for their achievements. On your last local report, residents of the Baqla administrative area in Nafa subzone are engaged in an extensive water and soil conservation campaign. The administrator and managing director of the subzone have stated that these conservation efforts are significantly aiding in environmental restoration and enhancing agricultural production. Additionally, residents have renovated a 40-kilometer dirt road that connects the villages of Marit, Andilal and Laba, further improving local infrastructure. In related news, another vigorous community-based water and soil conservation campaign is underway in the Hainaba administrative area within the Adaya subzone. This campaign includes the active participation of residents from villages of Hadamu, Hishmele and both Upper and Lower Himbirti, as well as Hainaba. The Hainaba administrative area, home to over 1,400 people, encompasses 5 villages. Dear viewers, we'll be back with your international news and more after the short break. Welcome back. North Korea carried out its first nuclear counterattack drill to stimulate its nuclear trigger management system, guided by leader Kim Jong-un, as a clear warning to its enemies. State news agency KCNA said today. North Korea fired several short-range ballistic missiles on Monday toward the sea off its east coast, South Korea's military said. As part of testing the nationwide nuclear management system called Nuclear Trigger, its artillery forces joined the country's first such drills on Monday in a show of diversified nuclear capabilities and protest against U.S. and South Korean provocative and invasive military exercises. According to state media, Kim highly praised the readiness of the world's best tactical nuclear attack weapons, expressing satisfaction with the drills. On today's final report, Asia was the world's most disaster-hit region from climate and weather hazards in 2023. The United Nations said today, with floods and storms being the chief cause of casualties and economic losses. Global temperatures hit record highs last year, and the UN's Weather and Climate Agency said Asia was warming at a particularly rapid pace. The World Meteorological Organization said the impact of heat waves in Asia was becoming more severe, with melting glaciers threatening the region's future water security. The organization also said that Asia was warming faster than the global average, with temperatures last year nearly 2 degrees Celsius above 1961 to 1990 average. You're still watching us on ERi-TV, dear viewers, and now a very quick recap of the major headlines. World Malaria Day observed in Zada Christian. Cultural and Sports Week for students in Hamil Malo subzone. North Korea conducts its first nuclear trigger stimulation drills. And Asia hit hardest by climate and weather disasters in 2023, according to the UN. Dear viewers, that was it for today. Thanks for watching.